Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. My name is Courtney-Ann Wallace and I'm a real estate content creator and a real estate agent here in the island of Jamaica. Before we move on any further, please subscribe, join the family, and please write down my number if you need any help with real estate needs. Today I'm going to be showing you what $25 million could have gotten you in the Red Hills area. Again, for all your real estate and interior decor needs, email me at courtneyannbusiness@gmail.com. Now, this property was located in Hef's Crescent. And remember how I started by saying could have gotten you? Well, it's now under offer. But if you want something similar or if you have a similar budget, feel free to email me so I can help you. If you're watching this video and you just want to see how much money can get you a certain type of house in the Jamaican market, keep on watching. So this was a 1-bedroom, 1-bathroom apartment with a living room space, and the complex had quite a few amenities such as large parking, a pool, and also coveted views. Let's step into the bedroom a bit. Now, this bedroom had lots of natural light and ventilation. Something I always brag about on this channel. I don't know why I'm always fortunate enough to come across these listings with such good lighting. Now here is the closet area, so those 2 doors there would have been your closet. And then moving on to the window, which is located here on your right. Now I've opened the closet so that you guys can see how much space you would have gotten. And this wall could have been used for your television. So when we spin around, there's going to be an ensuite bathroom as well as an ensuite laundry room. So this is how the bathroom looked. And as you can see, you had your shower, you had your toilet, you had your under cabinet storage, and then your light fixtures would have been there. You could have installed a mirror over the sink. If it's renter friendly, if you had bought this property for rent, then your tenants would have been renter friendly in terms of how they install the mirror. This was your in-unit laundry area, so you have room for a sink and you also had room for a washing machine. Now let us take one last look at the bedroom and then we're going to step out into the living room. Now, when we step out in the living room, as you can see, there were dark colored cabinets with granite countertops, double sink, stainless steel fixtures, and a thick and secure door. Trust me, it's thick and secure. This is how the development looks from the outside. And there were 2 ways where you could have entered the pool. You could have entered from the back, or you could have entered from the front where the guest gate is, which is also connected to the parking lot. Now, I know you see all that space. It is for parking. Trust me. There is more than enough space for you and your guests. And can we talk about the views for a minute? These views were to die for. I don't think I've ever come across such beautiful views in a very, very long time. And that property that we're looking at in the distance, I know I didn't capture it on camera properly, but trust me, it was a gem in the entire area. I'm talking Royal Palm Estate vibes. If you know, you know. Other than that, there were some other views to the front of the development, which is what we're seeing here. And this is the pool area with a gazebo, so you could have, had a little outside day and chilled and stuff like that with your family and friends. It was also very cool, very windy. And Red Hills is typically a cool area in terms of the climate and temperatures. And at night, it can be also a little bit chilly. Now, the good thing about this property is that it had automatic gates, which I loved because you don't have to exit your car to go in or out. I really appreciated that. And that brings us to the end of our tour. Notice how the gate closes when I said end of our tour? As always, guys, I really appreciate every single person that has subscribed to this channel. We're almost at 4,000 subscribers. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. And of course, follow me on Instagram at courtneyannw. And just a quick reminder, anything real estate, anything interior decor, courtneyannbusiness@gmail.com. As usual, guys, always appreciative of the support. I'll see you guys in the next video. Comment below what was your favorite part of this property tour. I'll see you next time. Bye.